Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. This is your boy Marco and your boy
Cloud Juice pop sockets at cloudjuicemerch.com, guys.
Not yet. I said coming soon. All right, coming soon. Ew, your tongue.
Guys,
why
today
is your tongue green.
I don't know.
Ew. Are you turning into Shrek?
Shut the up.
Anyways, guys, today we are currently at the thrift store. I would show you the sign, but it is raining outside so freaking heavy for no reason, and we're trying to record a video out here, trying to stay consistent on the schedule. You already know.
Guys, today we're doing a dress for less challenge. So we're gonna find dope tees, dope vintage tees, shoes, pants, whatever we can find at multiple thrifts. Guys, if you like this type of content, leave a like below, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Let's get straight into it.
Alright, guys, so we're here at Goodwill's. Damn, Alvin is even wearing a vintage shirt right now, but this one's 2006.
Yeah, this isn't really vintage, right? This isn't vintage. This is more of like just a little older.
I'm rocking the off-white fit, looking a little drippy, you already know, with the off-white clothes. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, here, take this back before I cringe anymore. So what I usually like to do is I like to go to all sections. It doesn't matter what it is. It could be girls, guys, whatever. You never know what you're gonna find. Now, my way of doing it is a little different from everybody else's. Not everybody else will skim every single tee, but I skim every single tee because I found literally insane tees in the middle of other tees, and it's crazy. Oh, and do not forget to check the toys because you can find cool toys. But I'll show you guys a perfect example. This shirt is nice, very dope. It's just, it doesn't have the age.
And what age is this? Is from 2006, I think it is.
It's got a majestic tag.
Look, 2008.
2008.
So 2008. But what's wrong with it?
To me, that's not really like something I would wear, but some people would find that dope. See, like, I'm into more stuff like this, like cool, like stuff that you'll never see. Like, look at this, Diamond Street Diner. Where will you ever see this, guys? We're gonna put this on the side. We'll hold that one. These are Coogee pants. I'm pretty positive our boy Slobby Rob, who we did meet at SneakerCon, would be all over this, guys. This is insane. It's not
definitely not my style, though.
It's not my area. I would never wear pants this small.
Oh shoot! Look at that. That's pretty cool right there.
But I'm pretty positive.
That's like, okay. So the reason why, also, I was telling Alvin why this is probably actually worth maybe picking up, depending on your style, is because of the embroidery. Look how much embroidery this has. Like, this is a lot of work to do, bro.
Oh yeah.
Check this out, bro. Look at these. This is vintage right here. Most of you that are in the younger audience, you don't even know what these are, bro. These are cassettes.
No, they don't even know what these are. They probably know cassettes, but they have no idea what this is.
Look at the vinyl.
They think this is a frisbee. I mean, I for a minute thought it was a frisbee too.
Let me hold it. I've actually never held one in my hand like this.
It's just plastic. It's
wow.
Literally plastic.
How old is this, do you think?
They have at least 20, 30 years, some of them, maybe even more.
Cassette player Titanic. But I don't know if these would go for any value. You could probably, I actually searched up this one, $2, and online on eBay you can sell it for around $10 to $15. So you can always flip a lot of things. Look at this, the Godfather.
This probably has value.
What's that? Oh, the Addams Family. Wow. Look at that.
This is dope. Now we do have two shirts that we're gonna get, but I want to explain something to you guys. Shop for less. This is brand new with the tags and the little plastic thing, brand new, guys. Literally a steal.
Much is this?
It's like a dollar.
Right?
And then look at this, a Nautica shirt, clean as $1.
So we're gonna check out with these two right here.
This is some Diamond Street Diner. I just like the lettering on it. It reminds me of something. It's really dope. And then this, Holy Land. Guys, if you don't know what Holy Land is, you're way too young.
So we just got out of the first thrift store. We're actually gonna go to a couple more, but Alvin came out. Look at this, $2. They were $1 each. Both of the shirts were 99 cents each, which is crazy. These are shirts that you can literally rock however you want with any outfit that matches potentially the colors.
Literally.
And honestly, like, if you shop for vintage tees and you're into that, you can rock so many cool outfits. Isn't this freaking great? It's so rainy, bro.
We're here at Plato's Closet, as you guys can see. Guys, Plato's Closet isn't really more of like your thrift store. It's more of your use and sometimes new clothing, just in a lot better condition. Like, they have insane things here. Let's go ahead and go straight in, guys. Look at this. Fenty. You couldn't even get these. Size 8, 35 bucks. That's dope. These are for girls, but I'd still wear them.
Really?
Yeah.
Jordans?
These are Jordans, size 8.
50 bucks?
50 bucks.
I've never seen this before, though.
These are dope. Look at this. Come in here. Look at this. New Balances, Puma, Adidas.
Oh shit, Adidas NMD. How much? 40 bucks?
Look at that.
That's crazy. What size? This is not my size, dude.
Steal of the day, Stan Smiths.
For how much?
40 bucks. 40 bucks. Look at this, guys. Look at the wall.
Oh.
Brand new Air Forces.
How much?
50 bucks.
50 bucks?
Size.
How much do they usually go for though?
About 100.
Literally,
So
this
it's
is your size 8.5. You should get
Literally
them, bro.
Brand new with the thing.
Guys, look at what I found here. They're not my size, but these are literally human racers. They're used for 30 bucks, Joe. That's crazy. Also, guys, I found an original Friends tee from the actual TV show. So it's not like a Fugazi. It's like literally from the Friends TV show. It's for a friend of mine. She really likes this, so I'm gonna cop this for her. Size 11.
Those are for you, bro.
All right, guys. So what? Look at this right here.
Brand new, dude.
Brand new.
14 bucks.
Guess slides like this. Look at this, and the quality is so nice. Size 11, 14 bucks. That's a definite cop. These look super fresh. It almost reminds me of like a Gucci or even an LV pattern. Hey yo, Alvin, what would happen if I cop these, put them on, and then kicked you in the face with them?
I'd have to kill you.
Really?
Yeah, I'd probably kill you. I think
But
you should cop these and bounce
Jesus,
like
bro,
a frog.
this is like a John Wick shoe right here.
Bro, these are frog bouncers.
What are those? Jesus, why is it
got
like that?
You know what that looks like?
What?
Those look like the ramps in Fortnite.
Hey yo, Bill.
Bill.
So we got the Air Forces, we got the tees, and the guess what? Alright guys, so we just got out of Plato's closet. Pretty interesting. We found a couple finds, nothing crazy. Things are a little bit more pricier. It's less.
But they are brand new. Most of the things in there are brand new, guys. I will give you that heads up that most of the things are in there are new or semi-used. So it's better quality, but they're gonna charge you a little bit more.
And more like recent things. Like if you go to
Exactly.
Goodwill, you can find things from like 1980 and shit like that. So right now we're going to another Goodwill and see if we can find.
Actually, here.
I really want to find some crazy vintage tees. That's the goal for
Yes.
right now. So
Yes, crazy vintage tees right now.
so far we have quite a few things. We're gonna show everything at the end. So let's go to this Goodwill and see if we can find anything crazy. What?
Miami Marlins jersey.
A whole jersey for $4.
We're holding that.
We're definitely getting
That's
that.
coming with us, boy. Come here.
What?
I just found a BOGO.
You found a what?
I found a BOGO.
A BOGO? Nah, you're lying. Boy, you're so stupid. Alright guys, so we just found something that could potentially... This is crazy right here. What is this?
What is this?
And that's a Marlins thing.
The jerseys.
Bro, but wait, this is like a vintage one, right?
Yes. I think we should leave this one. This was a warm-up. I don't think we should get
Nah,
this.
yeah, I'm not a fan of that one. Even though this does have potential.
Let's hold these two.
Okay, so we're getting some baseball jerseys. Not a baseball fan, but...
I'm a baseball fan.
Alright guys, so I just found a Crooks and Castle tee. It is double XL though. It's honestly pretty freaking dope in my opinion. Strike first, strike hard, no mercy. I would cop this for personal if it was a little smaller, but this is way too big. Okay, so right now we're looking at the toys. I got a shotgun over here. What are you doing? Do not shoot me. Come on, bro. Alright, so we're gonna get this one. Ese vale 3. Okay.
All right, guys, so we got about 4 pieces. We'll show you them when we get home, but this is actually one of my favorite Goodwill destinations because they always have
And
good
this
stuff.
one, if you guys want to know, if you guys are from Florida, this is the Sunrise.
Yes, Sunrise Goodwill. It's
Sunrise
right in the
Goodwill.
plaza.
Third and Alvin. Alvin gets excited when he gets to go to the thrift. He loves thrifting.
What am I?
You?
Yeah,
What are you? I don't know.
I'm somebody hiding in a bush in Fortnite. I see people, they're stealing our shit.
Yeah, man. What's up with that?
Fuck out of my stuff.
We found some KDs.
Basketball shit?
And some. Yo, are those Air Jordans?
No, these are SBs.
These are SBs, but that's still a fine.
Low key, bro. If you like SBs, there you go. And then we found some for you. Your size.
Hell no, I'm not gonna wear that. Let's look and see if we can find something interesting here. Seems that Alvin found something crazy.
Might have just hit a grail, guys.
A Packers. What was that? Tasmanian Devil. That's
And-
literally you.
The brand is Change.
The brand is what?
Change.
Let me see.
Bro, this is This is good.
All right, and then show them the other.
Oh yeah, this is something.
Also, we found another vintage one.
Look at that. XL, but it's all good, guys.
So never forget to look to the hat section. There might be some hats.
You know what's funny is I actually have a couple of these hats.
Really?
Oh,
you should get that.
Is this Kango though? Nope, not worth shit. Is this Kango? Nope.
We should get that for Queen Alvin, dude.
You know what we should? We should get her the black one. I hear she likes black a lot.
Yeah, I think she would like
Let's hold
that.
this for her.
But I think you should definitely take this one. Pick up this one.
Why?
For all the L's you take on Fortnite.
You should pick this one up for all the L's you take on those unboxing websites.
I actually found this. It's an M&M Star Wars collaboration, and I honestly think this could be worth quite a bit, dude.
One has sold for $8.22. There's one here for $6.99 plus $4 shipping.
Never mind.
So, not really a great.
They're selling it for $4. Marlin's clock, which is like a vintage type clock, and it is actually really cool. All 4 tees were literally $1 each, which is really exciting because I'm like, damn, $1, bro. For me, that's almost like free, bro.
And by the way, we live in Florida. That's why
you see it, because it's really humid. Right now, we're gonna go back home, show you everything we got, so we'll see you there. Now, real quick, guys, we're gonna show you everything we got. In total, we went to 4 locations. So first off, we went to 3 Goodwill locations and 1 Play-Doh store location. Well, actually, Play-Doh closet, that's what it's called. So Alvin's gonna go ahead and first show you what he got.
That we picked up. This Diamond Street Diner. Look at this, guys. This is dope. I just like the lettering on this a lot. Houston, NY. I don't even know where. Houston, NY? Is it like Houston and New York that they have them there?
There might be a city called Houston in New York.
I don't even know. And then we also picked up this Holy Land. This just brought back memories of our childhood.
If you guys don't know what Holy Land is, it used to be like a Christian theme park back in Orlando. They used to have it. It was actually really cool. We come from religious backgrounds per se, our parents, so we used to go there all the time, and it was honestly a huge throwback to be able to see that shirt. After that, we went to Play-Doh closet. This one is like a little bit irrelevant. I got this for a friend of mine. She really likes Friends, so I was like, screw it. And this is actually comes exclusively from the actual TV show, so it's not like a random print like from Forever 21 or anything like that. So that's really cool. I don't know how old it is. It might be vintage, maybe not. Also, I got these Guess slides for $14. This $14 is not much of a like steal per se, but I think these are really cool. They almost look like a Gucci like pattern type, and I really dig this for 14 bucks. I think this is worth it. Like, it's really cool. Anybody wearing this will look pretty like fire with it, in my opinion. Alvin got his Air Forces over there. Only 50 bucks for these guys.
50 bucks, and they're literally brand new, guys. No creasing on the toes. It is crazy. Whoever wore these literally wore them like once at most.
Yeah. So
50 bucks was a good deal in my opinion.
Yeah, StockX brand new, they go for almost 90 bucks. So I mean, it's a huge cutoff, in my opinion, almost half off.
Literally, and you don't have to pay for shipping.
Exactly. Our biggest deal that we found at this, I think this was a second Goodwill we went to. Guys, we got 2 baseball tees. One
jerseys, not Miami Marlins.
Being the Miami Marlins tee, this is a newer tee made from like 2016, around there.
Yes.
Which is really freaking cool in my opinion. I don't wear baseball jerseys, but we're probably gonna be able to sell this for around 50 bucks on eBay. We got that for $4.
Literally.
The next one, this is our biggest find. This is our biggest find of the day, and this is a, what was it called? Diamondback jersey.
These are about $85. That was the cheapest one that I found. So you can push this 85 to 100 bucks. We only paid $6 for it.
$6 for it. Alvin also got this vintage NASCAR tee.
There's only one race. The human race. What about NASCAR?
Which is really freaking cool in my opinion. I actually dig this one a lot. It's gray. This one was like $1, I believe it was, or $2. And it's from 2001, so
Indianapolis.
I believe that is already considered like vintage. And the last thing from that store was this brand new baseball hat as well. I don't even know what team that is because I don't watch baseball, but
it's literally brand new, guys. It's not an official hat. It is a Team MLB hat. It's one of the cheaper end hats, but it's very nice.
$3 we paid for that, so you could get like 10, 20 bucks.
10, 20 bucks, yeah. Third store we actually went to, guys. This one was actually huge come up also too. We found this Miami Marlins clock. This actually sells for about 20 bucks on eBay, so $3 to 20 bucks, that's a great come up. Also found this 2003 Marlins shirt when they won the championship.
We got a lot of Marlin
super
stuff.
clean. Yeah, we're in Miami. Duh. It's an XL. It is in great condition. I'm gonna try and distress it a lot because I like my shirts to be a little bit more faded.
Right?
Yes,
we're probably not gonna sell. The only things we're gonna sell is probably like the baseball
jerseys
stuff
and stuff like that.
Yeah, the Air Forces, Alvin actually got them for a personal cop. I got the slides for myself. I'm actually gonna use that when I go to the pool and the beach and stuff like that. And then the Friends t-shirt. All these t-shirts. This one that we're about to show you is actually really freaking cool.
All right.
Both of these.
So this is a Busch Gardens, guys. I love Busch Gardens. I literally go like every year. Busch Gardens is one of my favorite parks. This is, I want to say this is very old because I don't see these type of designs at parks anymore.
And this just looks almost brand new. Like
literally, it looks brand new. Like there's no fading on it. Super old tag. Oh my lord.
We gotta see, because this one might be worth quite a bit.
This might have some money to it. The brand that that actually makes this shirt is very old. Look at this. Green Bay Packers Tasmanian Devil tee. Not a Green Bay Packers fan, but this is a crazy dope tee, guys. This is insane. This might be worth a pretty penny, but we have to do a little bit more research on it. I'm pretty positive Paul can tell if it's on it.
Fuck yeah, it is.
Both me and Marco actually like this. I'm a fan of motorcycle tees. I actually have no idea where this is from. Brotherhood of the Highway. This might be for an event or something, but this is so dope. The skull on the motorcycle. I'm a fan of motorcycle tees.
And yeah, guys, and in total today, we only spent about $100 to $120.
And we got so many pieces.
A lot of things. We got like more than 10 shirts. We got jerseys. We got shoes. We got so much bang for the buck.
Guys,
so you already know.
Deals on wheels. Shop for less. Literally.
So yeah, guys, if you guys are into vintage stuff and you guys want to look dope for less, I recommend going vintage shopping. I haven't been doing, I have never really done it myself, but Alvin has always like been into that, so he's teaching me a little bit about it. So I really find it really interesting. I really hope you guys like this video. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down below. Also smash the like button if you guys want to see more videos like this one. I personally enjoyed it. I think Alvin personally enjoyed it as well.
I had a great time.
Yes, guys. So we'll catch you on the next video.
Stop shopping at round 2 for expensive vintage tees. That's all I gotta say.